What is it, guys? Today we're gonna be playing this cool thing called Fidget hand spinner. So, oh yeah, guys. So I already played this just one time. So I should get straight quality. Alright, so we just gotta spin it, right? No. I wanna share this. No. Alright. No, I don't wanna share it. Alright. Let's go back. Dude. So yeah, this is a fidget spinner. It's all for fun. So spin, fidget spinner, spin. They might not be that loud because it's nighttime. So I live in California, by the way. Alright. Did you see that they got a bonus spinner? Wait, let's see. Oh, wait, okay, let's do this.
I just got Amber.
Alright, let's do this. Oh, it's going to. I'm not even touching it. It's going by itself. Oh my gosh, it's still going by itself. Oh my. Going so speedy. It's not even. Stop. I'm trying to stop it, guys. And it's not stopping. Stop already. Can you please stop? Please. Pretty, please. Well, this won't stop. I'll see you guys when this stops. Guys, it's almost done. Come on. Please, just stop it. Nope. No, just tap the middle. I think you want to tap the middle. Tap. This isn't not stopping. What is wrong with you? It's the worst fidget spinner ever. You won't stop. Really? Alright, are you gonna stop, yes or no? Yeah, you get slow, punk. Got your guy chapstick in my mouth because he got a busted lip. I can't talk that well. Yes, you won't stop. Yes, stop it. New record. Yeah, I don't want to share it. Oh wait. Sorry guys about that. Alright, let's go back in fidget spin. Oh my gosh. Guys, sorry, that's all for today on this. If you guys want to see more, make sure you leave a like, subscribe. So sorry I can't do more. It's because of the I have to go to sleep right now. Because it's like Thursday, I think. No, it's Monday and it's 9:48. Let's go to more spins. So next, if we get about 5 likes, I'll play as this one right here. So yeah, let me just unlock this real quick. Ignore this thing. Alright guys, so it's done. So if you guys want to see more, I'll do this fidget spinner. So yeah, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.